Okay, so hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this quadratic equation problem taken from black book. So the question is the product of uncommon real roots of the two polynomials x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 8x square minus 6x plus 15 and x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 10. So firstly we solve the second polynomial. Okay, so it is x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 10. If we put x equals to minus 2, okay, then the polynomial becomes 0. So from here we can tell that x plus 2 is a common root. So now if we solve this cubical equation, we get two factors, that one is x plus 2 and the another we can solve from here. Okay, so and the remainder is here, it's x square, so it would become x cube plus 2x square, and then we let here and it 2x square and it's 4x plus 4x, and if we add here minus 5, then we get minus 5x minus 10. So the final result is x square plus 2x minus 5 and x plus 2 equals to 0. Now we got into the second polynomial, that is we have x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 8x square minus 6x plus 15. If we divide this, okay, if we divide this polynomial with the another polynomial, then we see what we get. Okay, the second polynomial is x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 10. Okay, now divide this. So we got firstly x, and here x to the power 4 plus 4x cube minus x square minus 10x. Okay, now to the this, and we get minus 2x cube minus 7x square minus plus 4x and plus 15. Now we divide this with minus 2, so we get minus 2x cube minus 8x square plus 2x plus 20. Now so this, and the remainder is x square minus plus 2x minus 5. So we can easily write this polynomial equation like that, x square minus 8x square minus 6x plus 15 equal to x minus 2 into x cube plus 4x square minus x minus 10 and plus the remainder, that is x square plus 2x minus 5. Okay, and from the solving the first polynomial we get this. So substitute that from here, we substitute from here, here we can write that x minus 2 x plus into x plus 2 into x square plus 2x minus 5 plus x square plus 2x minus 5. Okay, so if we take common, the common part is x square minus 2x minus 5, and here we can write this plus 1. So the part is, and x to the power 4 minus 4 plus 1, so x to the power 4 minus 3, and another part is this. So if we see the question, that is the product of uncommon real root. So from this and from this we can easily notice that the common root is x square plus x minus 5 and x square plus x minus 5. So the uncommon root is x minus 2, and here x to the power, and here sorry, that will be x square, I think, yes, not x to the power 4, that is x square, and x square minus 3. Okay, so this will definitely equals to 0, and this part is also definitely equals to 0. So we can easily tell that x equals to plus minus root 3, and from here we can say that x equals to minus 2. And in the question they need the product, so now multiply them. So the multiplication is plus root 3 into minus root 3 into minus 2. So the final result is, from here we get minus 3 into minus 2, so 6. The answer is 6, and this B, option B, is the correct answer. So it is a quite good question. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.